Dear friends, in this session, let us see how to include assignments for our courses in Moodle. The contents of this session are types of assignments, process of including assignment as an activity, evaluation of assignments, and giving feedback to the students. We normally give assignments either as individual assignment or as group assignments. Students can submit their answers directly into Moodle as online text or as files. Online texts are simple reports, whereas offline activities like solving of problems, presentations, programs, project prototypes, demonstration videos can be uploaded as files. Process for working with assignments include adding the assignment as an activity, making configuration settings, evaluation of answers, and giving feedbacks. These feedbacks can be within the document as inline comments or separately as files. Finally, offline grading can be done and score can be given as points or scales based on marking guide or rubrics. Now let us see a demonstration for this process. So we are in the dashboard with the course compiler design. In the right side, first click the gear menu, turn editings on. Then we'll scroll to the topic under which we want to include the assignment. For example, I am including under this second topic, syntax analysis. Add an activity or resource. By double clicking this assignment radio button, we enter into the configuration settings for assignment. So let me give here simply some name as revision assignment, and the answers can be uploaded as files as description. Let us make this description to be displayed in this course details. We can add the questions for our assignments by clicking this. In the file picker, select upload a file and attachment can be chosen from the system. So let me choose some document for example. Then we can keep a name for this. The same name I'll keep, revision assignment. This is under Creative Commons license, which means anybody can share this document and upload this file. Now we can make the availability settings. We can allow students from, we'll enable this date picker and assignment activity to start from 8th of July, say some 8 AM, and again enable this due date. Select from the date picker 15th July till 9 AM. We can even set the cutoff date. The third thing is cutoff date. Like for final submission, if we are going to permit for few students with permission as 1 day in addition, and time again as 9 a.m. The last option is remind me to grade. This is the setting for the teacher. So if we set a reminder for ourselves for grading this assignment from 17th of July, then these due dates appear for the students and a reminder for grading appears for the teachers. Then with this, we can enter into submission types. Submissions can be as file submission or as online text. If we click online text, then the word limit for students to type the document may be given as some 500 words. Then the students can type the document directly, or even you can select as file submission. We can permit the student to submit few documents, maximum of 20 documents. So let me keep here some 3 files, and size of each file can be set from 10 KB to 500 MB. Let me set some 100 MB. Then we can set the accepted file types based on our activity. So for example, let me choose some image files. So image files, on the safer side, I choose JPEG file so that the file size is small, and document files also can, some documents which may be in the form of PDF, or even you can accept some docs, Word documents, and save this. Save the changes. Save and return to the course. Now my assignment is included in the Unit 2 revision assignment with the description. In the students portal, let me change the role as student. So in the students portal, it appears as revision assignment, and students can download their question from here, and no attempt is made so far, so it is not graded yet. So it permits only from 8th July. So in this way, we can create an assignment with minimum settings. Thank you.